Here we come to the freight elevator at Harrington Tower at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. And as of December 2023, this elevator is still original. Original Otis black button from 1950. These doors are so obnoxious. Ah, this thing still lives on. COP has been replaced somehow. Cab has obviously been redone, but everything else is still original. It's a lot heavy closing it. Also, look at this. You notice something? This wood floor used to creak a lot, but they actually fixed it. They don't creak anymore, they used to. All right, let's go up to 3 and listen to the motor. Here we go. Beautiful. I love that motor. We'll get a cab here, then we're going to head back down and get off. I might as well just take one ride on this, but I'm sure I can definitely get a good video. See, the cab has obviously been redone, aside from the stainless steel, but everything else is still original. Anyways, I want to show you the retiring cam up there. See if you can see up there. I'm not sure you can see the retiring cam. I don't think you can see well, but I think that up there is probably the retiring cam, as you can see up there. I don't think you can see well, but that's the retiring cam. All right, let's go back down to 1 to end there. All right, we're gonna go ahead and exit. All right, we're gonna open the door. Get one last cab and we're gonna shut this thing up. All right, we're gonna close it up. It's a lot heavy closing it than it is to open. All right, that was the vintage Otis freight elevator from 1950. Still lives on in December 2023. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it.